Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha MPs have agreed to hold a debate on the Constitution next week, days after chaotic sessions over the issue. The breakthrough came today after an all-party meeting with Speaker Om Birla. The debate on the Constitution will be held on 13th and 14th of December in the Lok Sabha and 16th and 17th in Rajya Sabha. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju told the reporters outside the Parliament. On the opposition is raising other issues such as Sambhal, violence in Manipur, Mr. Rijiju said a decision will be taken in accordance with the rules. These issues have led to constant adjournments of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha since the session began on the 25th of November. Some opposition parties, especially the Trinamool Congress, want Parliament to discuss a host of different issues including unemployment and price rise. Let's listen into all the political reactions.
जो बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में संविधान पे चर्चा होने का प्रस्ताव था उसको सरकार ने मंजूरी दिया है। हम लोग 13 और 14 फ्राइडे सैटरडे को संविधान पे चर्चा होगी। लोकसभा में पहले हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे। फ्राइडे है 13 तारीख और 14 सैटरडे पड़ता है, तो हम फ्राइडे को भी चर्चा करेंगे और सैटरडे को भी पूरा दिन बहस करेंगे। ये हमने एक तरीके से सबने मान लिया है। उसके बाद 16 और 17 को राज्यसभा में संविधान पर चर्चा होगा।
It has been decided to run the house from tomorrow properly, and then the discussion on the Constitution of India will be held on 13th and 14th. Maybe 14th or 13th on 16th.
In Lok Sabha only?
In Lok Sabha. They are going to hold a meeting in there also. Rajya Sabha also they are going to conduct.
Both were agree for the run the
on
house?
This, yeah. Everybody agreed to that.
लोकसभा स्पीकर की सभी दलों के बड़े नेताओं के साथ, फ्लोर लीडर्स के साथ मीटिंग हुई है। क्या तय किया गया बैठक?
कल से हाउस को काम होगा, पूरा काम होगा। स्पीकर साहब ने रिक्वेस्ट किया, सब पार्टी में एग्री किया और 13th और 14th में वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के लेके डिस्कशन होगा। वो जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे था 75 ईयर्स उनको लेके डिस्कशन होगा।
तो समाजवादी पार्टी संभल का मुद्दा उठाना चाहते थे
हाँ,
आप?
काल संभल के मुद्दा में उन लोग को बोलने देंगे 2-3-4 मिनट, हम लोग को भी बांग्लादेश में बोलने देंगे स्पीकर साहब।
तो कल से हाउस चलेगा
होपफुली।
संविधान के साथ जिस तरीके से खिलवाड़ किया जा रहा है बीजेपी की सरकार की ओर से, चाहे आरक्षण के सवाल पे हो रहा है, चाहे धर्मनिरपेक्षता के सवाल पर हो रहा है, चाहे तमाम तरीके का जो संविधान को तोड़ने मरोड़ने का षड्यंत्र चल रहा है, बेहतर हो कि संविधान पे चर्चा हो, सारी बातें खुलकर लोगों के बीच आएं।
Well, after the complete washout for the 5 straight days of winter session of Parliament, it seems like some sense have prevailed to the Member of Parliament who had now agreed to end the Lok Jam of the Parliament, because it was at 3 p.m. when Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla called the floor leaders to his chambers, and there was deliberations that happened between the Treasury benches and the opposition MPs, as well as the opposition MPs want to have a constructive debate on the Constitution of India as well, and it was the Lok Sabha Speaker who had agreed to the demand. We have been told that on 13th and 14th of December it would be in Lok Sabha where there would be discussion on the Constitution, and on 16th and 17th of December it would be in the Rajya Sabha where there would be discussion in over the Constitution of India. It was also agreed in this particular meeting that Samajwadi Party can raise the issue of Sambhal as far as the zero question hour is concerned. On the other side, in zero question hour, the Trinamool Congress had raised that they want to take up the issue of Bangladesh as well, and that was also agreed. Tomorrow, in all likelihood, there would be some functioning of the house that one can see both in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha as well. But certainly, the government is in a view that they want discussions to be done as far as the legislative bills are concerned. There are some important bills that needs to be tabled for consideration and passing because that are something which are of public interest. There could be again tomorrow tomorrow, where we can see External Affairs Minister Jaishankar, who can give a statement on the current situation of between India and China over LAC as well. So probably there would be some constructive debate that we can see from tomorrow, and the logjam that was there for last 5 days in the parliament that can end as well.